This video, what I'm going to do a little kind of quick unboxing and kind of show y'all everything that comes in this little first aid kit. A first aid kit is something I highly recommend for anyone that's traveling. This is like a little backpacker style right here, or in a glove box of your car or something like that. Let me just go ahead and open it up because I think everybody needs a good first aid kit on them there. It comes with this ripstop nylon bag. It has 2 zippers on it. Wonder why it has 2 zippers on it. Let's see what's in this one. So opening this one up, okay, well, there's stuff in here. So in the front zipper, I'm not gonna take it all out, but it looks like you get a safety whistle, some thread with safety pins, a compass. You know, I hate these compasses, but you know what? It is a compass. How cool is that? It looks like some medical tape, medical grade tape, alcohol pads. So it looks like you get some smaller kind of regular band-aids and some regular size band-aids in it. Looks like you get a lot of them. That's a lot of them right there. That's all. Oh, there's more down in here. Check it out, everybody. There's more. You get a pair of scissors and a pair of tweezers. And you can see how those scissors, they cut right there. Not too bad. Little medical grade scissors. And in the top zipper, let's just dump it all out here. Putting that aside, you get some gauze, some Q-tips. It looked like several little cotton swabs right there. Big gauze patch right there. Big wound pads. Those are very handy right there. Wound pads, and then you get, looks like some large band-aids. These are some really big band-aids. You get 4 of those, adhesive wound. And then right here, oh, this is super handy. This is a CPR mask. Not many have a CPR mask. I actually like that it really has that CPR mask in there. Anti-mosquito towelette. So that's actually a lot for the price. This is something I highly recommend. This little first aid kit will do anyone wonders if you had it right there on the spot. So yeah, that's all I got today with the for the little first aid kit. Give you more protection. See you guys in the next video. Woo!